Kanaku was not designed to be number one or top 100 for a machine being developed with applications. And in fact, as Kanaku was being developed, there were target applications program that was running at the same time. We wanted the situation where when the machine's ready, the science is ready.
We're trying to do is to set up a worldwide testbed to fine-tune a large language model on biomedical data, and we would love to work with NCHC in making this capability and working with you in leveraging the AFL capability to build secure federation, so we can train a model across data sets from different Southeast Asian countries and other countries in a secure manner.